students, welcome back to the Venus Academy. So today we are going to study about arithmetic progressions. Right? Okay. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progressions? So we know that the progression means with the group of data which is coming with the order, no? So arithmetic progression means by adding or subtracting this constant value, right? So it is called as arithmetic progressions. It is continuing with adding or subtracting the same value, right? So I can get like here. So if I'm taking like yeah, first one I can get like this way, that is a, right? So first, if the first term is a, the second term is coming like a plus d, right? So the third term it is coming like a plus 2d. That means adding d, the different, this d is the common difference there, right? So I will explain what is the meaning of this term. So then after the third term I can write it down like a plus 3d, right? Okay, so like this it is continuing, right? Okay, then after, so in here you have to keep in mind that so a is the first term, a is the first term, and also d is the common difference. Yeah, d is the common difference, and also what else? Yeah, in here you have to specially keep in mind some terms, some letters to rename in the terms. So L means, L also you have to keep in mind, that is last term, right? L means last term. Okay, then after you can understand like here, in here you can understand. So I can get some numerical example like this way. So as example like this. So if I'm taking like 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 18. So if I'm taking this progression, in here you can see that it is increasing pattern, right? Step by step it is increasing. So you can see that 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 3 is 6 there. So 6 plus 3 is coming 9, and 9 plus 3 is coming 12, and 12 plus 8, yes, 12 plus 3 is coming like 18, right? So you can see that the difference between all the consecutive terms, the difference between two consecutive terms, you can see that all are same values, right? All are the constant values. So we can understand like here it is increasing pattern with adding 3 by 3 for each and every terms, right? So we can understand like here this kind of progression is called as a arithmetic progression. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind like this. So okay, then in here you have to keep in mind capital T means term, right? So if you have to rename the third term, so you can write down as T3, right? So T3 means third term. Okay, so if you have to rename like the ninth term like this, so you can write down as T9, right? That is ninth term. Yeah, that is ninth term. Okay, so it is coming like that. And also in here we can understand for the, we can build up some equation for the nth term also. So that is called as specially as general term, right? General term. Okay, general term means it is the general term. The meaning of general term is nth term, right? So it is coming like this. That means nth term we can rename by Tn. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So in here you studied about all these terms except n, right? So what is the meaning of n there? N means number of terms, right? So number of terms. Yeah, number of terms is renamed by cap simple n, right? Okay, so this is the way you have to keep in mind the equation of the general term. And also we can go for the example like this. Yeah, so I can get some example like this way. Look at carefully. So in here if they have given like, if, yes, if a equals minus 3 and d equals plus 4, and also they have given that tn, or otherwise nth term is equal to 237, right? So they have given these terms. So according to that you can find out, yes, they are asking you to find the number of terms in this arithmetic progression, right? So we can write it down like this way. That means tn, yes. So we can apply like a plus n minus 1 times d like in here. So a plus n minus 1 times d is equal to tn means 237, right? So they have given a is equal to minus 3 plus n means, yeah, we don't know about then, we have to find out the value of n here. So you have write down as n minus in 1 in same way, and d means 4 equals 237, right? So it is coming 4 times n minus 1 is equal to 237. When you are taking this minus 3 for other side of the equal mark, it is coming plus 3, right? So 237 plus 3 means 240. So if you have to remove this bracket, you, yes, both side you can divide by 4. So 4 to 4 it is cancelling out. So you can get the answer like this way. Yeah, n minus 1 equals 4 times 6 is 24. It is coming 60, right? Not 6. So therefore it is coming n equals 60 minus 1. When you are taking for other side of the equal mark, it will become plus 1. So 60 plus 1 is 61. So you can write down the last answer. There are 61 terms. Okay, so I hope you understood all the things in there. So this is the way you have to solve the problems in the geometric, yes, sorry, that is yeah, this is the way you have to solve the problems in the arithmetic progressions, right? Not the geometric. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the geometric progression also. Okay, okay, Laman. So I hope you understood all the things properly. So in the next time video we can go for the how to find out the equation of the sum of n terms. That means Sn equals equation also there. So we can go for the go for that equation in the next term video. Okay, okay, Laman. So I'm going to finish by here and see you next time soon. Okay, take care. Bye. Have a nice day.